Hello, today I'm going to be going through this code here and a few of the responses that we've received on our social media accounts. What we've asked you to do is find out what the error is in this code here. So when we run this code, let's just run it now, the only output that we get is boo. So what could be the problem here? We've obviously got a problem because it shouldn't do that. We should be asked, are you scared yet? And we should be able to put in a response on the input here. So one of the responses that we got on social media was to get rid of this response is equal to speech mark. Now, so actually we can try that since we have the code here. So we're just going to put in a comment. Remember that a hashtag in Python is a comment. We'll put that in and we'll run it. Does this? Oh, this doesn't work. We get a name error. Name response is not defined on line 3. So the reason for this, the reason why this bit of code is here, the response is equal to speech mark. Basically all that is doing, we are defining this variable response. Okay, and you'll see when I highlight it there, it actually highlights all the places where that variable is in the code. So we need that there because that is going to declare our variable before we actually use it on line 3. Okay, so it was a good guess, but unfortunately that wasn't quite correct. Okay, and again, it's okay to make mistakes. There's something else. All we're getting is boo, and then while response is equal to yes, all we're getting is that boo there. I'll give you a few minutes to think about it. If you want to do that, pause the video here, and I'm going to go through it now though. The actual correct reason why this isn't working, this is a logic error, and it's to do with line 3, and a lot of you got this well done. While response is the same as yes. Okay, because our response, we've declared it as response is equal to a nothing, our response is never going to be yes, so it'll print out the second line boo there. It'll get to the while loop. While response is equal to yes, the response is not yes, but it just exits the program because the rest of it is the while loop. It won't go through that while loop. It'll go down to the end of the program and then exit. We need to change this line 3 here. So what we need to change that to is while response is not equal to yes. So this is how we, in Python code, we write not equal to. We put an exclamation mark and an equals to. So let's run that now. Are you scared yet? Let's just put no. Okay, boo. Are you scared yet? Let's put yes. Okay, I'll stop. So while our response that we input is not equal to yes, we're going to ask the person, the response is equal to input, are you scared yet? If their response is yes, print okay, I'll stop. We'll exit this while loop. If they put anything else, it's going to print boo because they're not scared yet, so we're going to try and frighten them again. So that is how we would fix this. Something that was brought up in the comments was this line 4 here as well, and how we could actually improve this. Response is equal to input, are you scared yet? What someone might do here, this prompt is not very, it doesn't elaborate on what the user should actually input. Okay, so are you scared yet? What if the user puts in all capitals yes? Okay, because they want it to stop. Here we go, we just get boo again, and are you scared yet? What we might actually want to do is improve this line 4. Are you scared yet? Please enter yes or no. Okay, so we've actually improved the prompt there. So are you scared yet? Please enter yes or no. So when we run that now, oops, I'm not in idle, we don't press F5, so we'll click on run. Boo, are you scared yet? Please enter yes or no. So this makes it a little bit clearer for the user that what we are expecting is a lowercase yes, as opposed to capitals or the capital Y, or just a yeah, for example, that some people enter. What we could also put in there as well, we could put in some elif statements. So if they put it in all in capitals, this isn't the most efficient way, but it would work if response is equal to capitals all in yes, or elif response is equal to all in capitals yes. What we could also do to improve this is use some string manipulation. We could manipulate or change a string just in case the user enters any capital letters, so they don't get any errors and they don't go through that while loop again and again and again. And this is one of the most efficient ways for us to do this. How can we do this? So let's manipulate this variable here, this response, this string that we get. And what we need to do, all we need to add in is the dot lower bracket bracket. What this will do is take anything that anyone enters into that response variable and it will put it into lowercase letters. We're not quite done yet. So, Boo, are you scared yet? Please enter yes or no. Let's enter that all in capitals. Okay, I'll stop, but it's still going through the loop. The reason for this is response.lower. What we actually haven't changed is this variable here. So response variable is still going to be in uppercase because we haven't changed the variable itself. All we've done is say that if a lowercase version of response is equal to yes. We haven't changed that response variable. So this is where we'll actually need to change that response variable and put in another line after print OK, I'll stop. So response is equal to response dot lower bracket bracket. Now that we have that, let's try and run that again. So Boo, are you scared yet? Please enter yes or no. We'll put that in capital letters and it goes to OK, I'll stop. So that is all correct. Let's just check it again because with a capital Y and a lowercase e and s, we should check things through multiple times as we're going through our programs. So capital Y, E and S. Let's see if that works and it's OK, I'll stop because we've put it into lowercase letters. If you've been following us along on social media, thank you very much. If you do want a few more of these, we'll be doing them on social media again on our Twitter, Instagram and Facebook pages. So just make sure you're following those and we will do a few more of them. Please remember that we do also have our website, which is computerscience.co.uk, where you can get some free computer science resources that are suitable for teachers and students as well. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.